Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Ready to test your subtraction skills? What is 8 minus 2? The answer is 6. What is 15 minus 7? The answer is 8. What is 12 minus 5? The answer is 7. What is 9 minus 4? The answer is 5. What is 14 minus 6? The answer is 8. What is 95 minus 20? The answer is 75. What is 88 minus 12? The answer is 76. What is 72 minus 25? The answer is 47. What is 69 minus 31? The answer is 38. What is 83 minus 44? The answer is 39. What is 64 minus 28? The answer is 36. What is 92 minus 18? The answer is 74. What is 85 minus 22? The answer is 63. What is 77 minus 19? The answer is 58. What is 96 minus 30? The answer is 66. What is 71 minus 26? The answer is 45. What is 89 minus 14? The answer is 75. What is 63 minus 18? The answer is 45. What is 80 minus 35? The answer is 45. What is 94 minus 15? The answer is 79. What is 68 minus 29? The answer is 39. What is 91 minus 20? The answer is 71. What is 73 minus 21? The answer is 52. What is 84 minus 28? The answer is 56. What is 65 minus 24? The answer is 41. What is 99 minus 16? The answer is 83. What is 86 minus 17? The answer is 69. What is 74 minus 25? The answer is 49. What is 90 minus 18? The answer is 72. What is 81 minus 15? The answer is 66. What is 67 minus 22? The answer is 45. What is 93 minus 10? The answer is 83. What is 78 minus 29? The answer is 49. What is 87 minus 26? The answer is 61. What is 70 minus 19? The answer is 51. What is 82 minus 21? The answer is 61. What is 95 minus 14? The answer is 81. What is 66 minus 27? The answer is 39. What is 88 minus 15? The answer is 73. What is 79 minus 28? The answer is 51. What is 97 minus 22? The answer is 75. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.